Hi guys, in this YouTube video what I'm doing is testing this Ryobi 1 plus HP hammer drill. The model number is of 20PBLHM101. This has 5,000 to 2,000 RPM, and this has 3,100 bumps per minute. This tool has a hammer. This has a 22 precision clutch and a drill function, no screw. This tool has speed 1 and speed 2. This tool has a half-inch Jacob's chuck that ratchets down. This tool has a nice right on its base. This tool does have the HP port, so this will take the power from the extra HP batteries. And you go to the handle that comes with the tool. And finally, the belt clip does not come with the tool. You have to pay $7 for one, and that's ridiculous. And guys, remember when you're walking with power tools, always wear heel protection and safety glasses. The battery I'm using is an HP 4 battery. Battery's full. We're going to check this battery at the end of the video. First, we're going to start small and work up big. Let's start off with a 1/4 drill bit. It's on speed 2. Battery's full. Ready, set, go. To be honest, the small drill was easy for these hammer drills, but we're going to work up bigger. Now, we're going to be going up to a 3/8 drill bit. And by the way, all the drill bits we're using are Milwaukee Shockwave impact rated drill bits. It's on speed 2. We're going to do 2 holes. Ready, set, go. That was like butter, so we're gonna do 5 holes. Now we're moving up to a 1/2-inch drill bit now. I'm gonna show you this quick feature now. Now I lock this in like this, and so the drill bit comes out. You lock in one, and now the bit's locked in. I can't come out, and that's what a ratchet chuck does. Let's start off with 1 hole. Ready, set, go. We're gonna do 2 more holes now. To be honest, it draws some pretty decent power. What we're gonna do, 3 more holes with the 1/2-inch drill bit. Now we're gonna do a Hercules 3/4 impact rated spade bit, and this is how feeding, where you push it and the spade bit does the work. Now the spade bits are harder, so this will be tough on the drill, and we're gonna do 3 of them on speed 2. Not gonna lie, that went very smooth, actually. Now guys, we're using front high performance. Let's try a 6-amp high performance and see if it does any faster. We're gonna do 5 holes. That was pretty fast. Now we're going to be stepping up to a 1-inch spade bit and 2 holes. So far the show's doing great. I didn't have to go down to speed 1 yet. Now guys, we're getting pretty big. We're gonna do a 1 and 1/4 spade bit. Gotta be careful. These could talk your wrist out if you're not careful. We're gonna do 1 hole with a 6-amp and one hole with a 4 amp to see the difference, by the way. So this 2 will stop, so that's the max. We got to go to speed 1. Okay, now let's see if a 4 amp can do it on speed 2. No, 4 amp can't do it on speed 2, so speed 1 for the 4 amp. Okay, now let's move on to the next test. Now guys, we're getting pretty big. We're gonna be doing a 1 1/8 spade bet. Now this is a wrist breaker. You gotta be careful. Same saying. We're gonna do a 4 amp and 6 amp. Let's start off with a 4 amp first. No, 4 amp can't do it on speed 2. Okay, now let's do a 6 amp. Yeah, let's do a 6 amp. That's surprising. A 6 amp can do it no problem. So a 6 amp can do a 1 1/8 spade bet. So that's the difference between a 4 amp and a 6 amp. Final choice of the video is we're gonna be trying this 1 1/4 bet, and we're gonna see, because this is very hard for drills, and see how well this does. We're gonna try 6 amp and a 4 amp, but we're gonna do a 4 amp and see if it could do it on speed 2. So that one's done. Now let's try the 6 amp. Now guys, what am I overall thoughts on this hammer drill? It's pretty powerful. This hammer drill seems to get the most power with a 6 amp battery. With a 4 amp battery, it has decent power, but the 6 amp really gives it the most power. I'm happy with this performance. It performed well. I love this tool. I give it 5 stars. And the price of this is $119. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.